More details this evening on yesterday's fatal collision along the Spur Tree Main Road in Manchester. A retired police officer died in the accident. Here's Nick Dawkins with the details.
The deceased has been identified as Paulette Mullins, a retired police from Portmore St. Catherine. It's understood that she was heading home after spending time with family and friends in Leeds, St. Elizabeth. The mishap reportedly occurred about 2 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. It involves a truck hauling concrete mix and a motor car. Head of the Highway and Traffic Division, Superintendent Calvin Allen, told TVJ News that the truck was going down Spur Tree Hill when it reportedly developed mechanical problems.
He was in the process of trying to have the truck stop. They call it banking the truck on the right side of the roadway. And whilst in the process of doing that, the body of the truck, and that is the section, that tank section that carries the cement, was dislodged from the truck and onto a motor car that was traveling in the opposite direction. And a very sad situation because the occupant, I understand, was just an individual, perished from that situation. I understand that the car was crushed in that process. It affected the traffic flow along that corridor for a good while as we were trying to get that sort of equipment to remove the cement portion of the truck from the car itself.
Meanwhile, motorists are being urged yet again to pay keen attention to the condition of their vehicles before driving them. Director of the Road Safety Unit, Canute Hare, gave the latest statistics on fatalities.
213 killed already. Last year this time, 221 persons died in traffic crashes. So I would like to inform persons that road fatalities are projected to be 332. So it is telling us that we could have more deaths on the road when compared to last year. Last year we end up with 322.
He also made this plea to motorists
to ensure that the vehicle that they are operating, it is in very good condition, and that we must remember that vehicles develop mechanical problems, so we need to pay attention to our vehicle. We also need to pay attention to the environment and also our behavior on the network.
Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.